Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I am going to guide you on how to get $35 promo code on Postmates. It is a very simple step. For that, firstly, make sure you open one preferred web browser at your phone device. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you have to simply search Postmates promo code. Now there you can see various websites which provides Postmates coupon. Now make sure you visit any one that you prefer. For this video we will go for coupon follow. Now here you can see various options or coupons that you can apply. Also you can see various offers going on. For this video we will use $40. Take up to $40 off first order plus free shipping. Now all you have to do is tap over there. Within a minute, the code will be displayed. All you have to do is tap on copy. After you copy the code, all you have to do is tap on redeem at Postmates. You can also enter your email to get the latest Postmates coupons, where they will be directly sending the coupons to your email account. Now you will be led to this page. If you haven't signed up, then make sure to sign up. And if you have your account, then you can simply sign into your account. Choose the food that you want to order, and while in the checkout process, there you can see the promo code option. All you have to do is paste the promo code that you copied earlier over there and check out. And you will be getting the discount and the offer that you have applied for. This is how easily you can get your $35 promo code on Postmates. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.